Hi everyone and welcome on Uniting Tastes. I'm Hervé and today I will share with you my very special recipe, 4 ingredients to get a perfect chocolate mousse. Chocolate, sugar, butter, eggs, and I like to add some sea salt. The first step is to melt the chocolate. So I'm taking this chocolate, chop it if needed, and you can put it in the microwave, 1.5 minutes, 2 minutes max. Now the chocolate is melted and still warm. I'm going to add the little pieces of butter. So the butter is going to melt. Now the butter is melted. You've got a very nice, smooth and shiny chocolate. Let it cool, it's very important, at room temperature. Let's split the egg yolks and the whites. Try to use extra fresh eggs. Use a hand mixer for the egg whites. I will add the salt and the sugar gradually once it starts to get foamy. Here we go, shiny egg whites like this. Perfect. Adding sugar to the egg whites will help air bubbles stay inside the egg whites and your chocolate mousse will be very light. I'm whisking the egg yolks like this and I will add them to the whites now. Combine them slowly. So once your mixture of chocolate and butter has cooled, and you can put it in the fridge for like 10 minutes, we're going to add the chocolate to the eggs. So gradually, like this. So make sure to scrub the bowl. Go from top to bottom at the center. We want a nice texture without any lumps. See how it's smooth? Very nice. Look at this texture. So I'm pouring the chocolate mousse inside a small bowl like this. You can top it, for instance, with chunks of chocolate or hazelnuts, or why not passion fruit. It's a beautiful combination, passion fruit and chocolate like this. So let's take a look at the texture in an hour from now. Let's take a look at the texture of this chocolate mousse. But first of all, I like to add toasted hazelnuts on top and sprinkle some on top of the chocolate mousse. It's really nice. Beautiful. Look at this mousse. The texture is just perfect. It's creamy, rich. I'm sure you're gonna love the texture. It's even better if you eat it the next day, so don't hesitate to prepare them ahead. Well, I hope you try this perfect chocolate mousse at home and let me know in comment how you find it, if you like it. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and see you next week for a new recipe. Bye.